Hey everyone! Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about something that's part of our everyday lives, science and technology. But here's the thing, it can be both awesome and a little tricky sometimes. So, I'm going to show you 5 great things science and technology do for us, and then 5 things we need to be careful about. Ready? Let's go!
Life savings, medical advances. Okay, let's start with health. Science and tech have totally changed how we approach medicine. Think about the COVID-19 vaccines. They were developed in record time thanks to new technology. We also have MRI scans and robotic surgeries that helps doctors treat us more accurately, and don't forget about the health apps that help us track our fitness and wellness. Pretty awesome, right? Next, there's the internet. I mean, we got the world knowledge in the palm of our hands. Need to know the capital of some country? Google it. Want to learn how to do a math problem? YouTube got your covered. It's like having endless library right of our fingertips. We can learn just about anything from coding to cooking to science experiments.
Improving the environment. Another huge win is the impact of tech on the environment. Solar power, wind energy, and electric cars are just a few examples of how we're using science to reduce pollution and help save the planet. Even though tech can sometimes harm the environment, there are plenty of innovations that are working to fix it, like recycling programs for old electronics.
Innovative education tools. We all know how boring school can get sometimes. No shade, just facts. But thanks to technology, we have tools like virtual reality that make learning way more fun. Imagine exploring ancient Rome on VR headset, or using simulation to understand science concept better. It's making education a whole lot more interactive.
One of the positive impacts of science and technology is a better communication and connection using an internet. Remember back when you had to call someone's house phone, hoping they'd be home to talk? Yeah, those days are long gone. Now, thanks to smartphone, we can call, text, or FaceTime anyone in around the globe, anytime, anywhere. Technology gave us an advantage to become more easy on our day.
Job automation and displacement. Okay, let's talk about the downside. Automation and AI are making life easier, but also taking away jobs. Think about it. Robots are already working in factories, and self-checkout machines are replacing cashiers, while new types of jobs are being created. A lot of people are losing work because machines are doing what we used to do. Cybersecurity threats and privacy issues. As awesome as the internet is, it comes with its own problems. Cybersecurity is a big deal. Think about how many people's data is stolen every year. It's not just your social media accounts at risk. Either, hackers can get into companies and governments, causing huge damage, plus tech companies known a ton about us. From what we like to where we live. We need to be super careful about how much personal info we share online.
Five negative impact of science and technology. Who hasn't spent hours scrolling through TikTok or being watching Netflix? While tech can be fun, too much of it can mess with our focus. Tech addiction is a real and it's not just about video or games. Social media things like excessive screen time and relying too much on GPS instead of learning to navigate our problem. It's important to balance tech with real-world activities like sports, hanging out with friends, or just going outside.
And here's a big one of e-waste. All phones, laptops, and tablets end up in landfills, and a lot of them can't be recycled properly. The production of tech is also contributing to pollution and harming ecosystem. So even though tech is helping us, we also need to be aware of environmental footprint and make sure we dispose of our gadgets responsibility.
One of the negative impacts of science and technology is social media and mental health issues. Let's be real, social media can mess with our heads. It's easy to get caught off comparing yourself to other influencers or feeling like you need to post a perfect picture. But in reality, no one's life is perfect like looks on Instagram. Studies show social media can lead to feelings of anxiety, depression, and loneliness. Can we see always rely on other emotion and what are the trends? And it can affect our emotional state by having a low self-esteem. So make sure you take
In my own opinion, science and technology have changed society in many important ways, and most of those changes are positive. Technology makes our daily lives much easier. For example, smartphones and the internet allow us to communicate with people all over the world instantly, which is something that was impossible just a few decades ago. This helps students like me access tons of information for school projects or learn new skills online. Medical science has also made huge improvements with new treatments and medicines, helping people live longer and healthier lives. Thanks to technology, surgeries are safer and diseases can be detected earlier. On the other hand, I think there are some negatives, side effects too. Sometimes people spend too much on their phones or computers, which can affect social skills and make people feel isolated. There's also the problem of privacy. Since so much of our personal information is online, it can be at risk of being stolen or misused. Additionally, as technology advances, some jobs are being replaced by machines or computers, which worries a lot of people about the future work. Overall, I believe that science and technology are essential for progress and have mostly good effects on society, but it's important for us to use them wisely and balance technology with real-life human connections. If we can do that, then the future can be really bright.
In the modern world, environmental degradation has become one of the most pressing challenges we face, from pollution and deforestation to climate change and resource depletion. The planet is facing unprecedented threats to its ecosystem. While these challenges are daunting, science and technology hold the key to mitigating many of these problems. By leveraging innovative solutions, we can create a more sustainable future and safeguard the environment for generations to come. This opinion explores several ways in which science and technology can be harnessed to improve the environment. Science and technology offer powerful tools to address the many environmental challenges to our time, from renewable energy and sustainable agriculture to waste management and carbon capture to potential for technological innovation to improve the environment is vast. However, for these solutions to be effective, they must be supported by policies, investment, and public awareness. As individuals, we can also contribute by embracing sustainable practices in our daily lives. By combining scientific knowledge with technological advancement, we can pave the way toward a more sustainable and environmentally friendly future.
Instant access to information has totally flipped our world upside down, bringing both incredible possibilities and some real headaches. On the one hand, it's like knowledge has been set free. Anyone can jump online and dive into tons of info, research, news, and different viewpoints from overall. This has boosted learning, helped people teach themselves, and speed up new ideas. If you are student, researchers, or professional, you can instantly get your hand on papers, archives, and live live data live data no matter where you are. Is also get more people involved in what's happening around them, letting us stay updated, question what's going on, and speak our mind easier. Being able to quickly check facts, pick up new skills, and connect with people who think like you is a huge win. But this constant stream of info also has in downsides. It can be way too much to handle, make it and hard to figure out what's true and what's not. The speed at which things spread, especially on social media, can blow information out of proportion. Begin it to really understanding what's going on. This can create bubbles where you only hear what you already believe, which is instant great for thinking critically or having real conversation. Plus, all those notifications can mess with your focus, making it harder to concentrate and pushing us towards waiting everything right away. And let not forget privacy. The way we get the info often involves tracking us and using algorithm to decide what we see. Basically, instant access to information is mixed bag, and it's not just about having it, but about how we can dig into, look at different sources, and learning to navigate the digital world responsibility.
Science and technology have become an inseparable part of human life. From the simplest tools used by early humans to today's advanced machines and digital innovation, they have continuously shaped the way people live, work, and connect with one another. These developments bring many advantages, but they also come with challenges that society must carefully manage. One of the most significant positive impacts of science and technology is the improvement of people's quality of life. Modern medicine was help cure diseases, extend life expectancy, and improve overall health. Technological inventions such as electricity, smartphones, and the internet have made communication and daily tasks faster and more convenient. Education has also benefited greatly with online learning platforms and digital libraries providing access to knowledge for millions of people worldwide. In addition, advancement in transportation and industry have boosted economic growth and connected societies globally. Science and technology also contribute to solving problems. Renewable energy technologies, climate monitoring system, and eco-friendly innovation are examples of how human creativity can address environmental issues. They give hope for a more sustainable future if used wisely. However, despite these benefits, science and technology also have negative impacts. Automation and artificial intelligence, for instance, can replace human labor, leading to job losses in certain industries. The misuse of technology has also brought about problems such as cybercrime, data theft, and privacy violations. Moreover, excessive dependence on gadgets often results in physical inactivity, stress, and weakened social connection. On a larger scale, industrializations and technological exploitations have contributed to pollution, deforestation, and climate change, threatening the balance of nature. In addition, ethical concerns arise from modern advancements such as cloning, genetic engineering, and artificial intelligence. These raise important questions about morality, human identity, and responsibility. Without proper regulation and mindful use, the same technologies that promise progress can also cause harm.